It has been a while since I have seen an NVIDIA backed company go public on the market. So everyone, welcome to IPO Market Watch. My name is Mike, and in this YouTube video, I will show you a company that is going public soon, and it is backed by NVIDIA and Fidelity and Samsung. And no, it is not really a tech company, if that's what you're thinking. But before we get to that, congratulations to anyone who has traded ticker symbol SGN. It truly gave an opportunity, like one of the biggest opportunities of 2026, in my personal opinion. Huge. Could have been, one of those where, maybe depending on how you traded, how much money you put, and if you got real lucky, you could have been set and say, you know what, I'm done trading for the rest of the year. On January 20th, 2026, I posted this message here on the left that you see for my Discord members, and I said SGN at that time was trading around 17, 18 cents basically, and I said, you know what, it's going to go from 17, 18 cents to 24 cents. Now, you can never be 100% sure with anything in the stock market, but this is just personally speaking for me. It wasn't something that I would say to anybody else to do, but I shared my beliefs in what I thought, and sure enough, he hit 24 cents, but that was on January 20th. If I had held the stock up until today, it's at 84 cents, going 85 cents today, and you can understand that from 17 cents to 85 cents is a massive, massive, massive gain. So, I don't know. Congratulations to anyone who actually pulled that off. I mean, I got out early with profit. The other one that I want to share, which is very interesting, I've shared this many times. I've told you guys about the unusual options. I think they're very powerful. And whether you're in my Discord as a Discord member and you have access to our unusual options channel, or whether you're not a member, I think that people should pay attention to the options activity. Not saying you should take part in options. That's up to you how you do it. I don't take part in options. If I like a specific option, I just buy the stock, and then I try to sell the stock positive. But yeah, unusual options, guys, I think that people should pay attention to. We had an unusual option alert for ticker symbol LRN, and at that time was trading at 72 cents, and it told us that the target price would be, as you can see here, 80 bucks. Well, today it's 80. It's actually 81 in pre-market. So perfect. It did exactly what it told us. And it even tells us the time that, within 10 days or 20 days is going to do that. And it's very cool. Now let's get to the stock that is backed by NVIDIA. It is backed by Fidelity. It is backed by Samsung Biologics. And many more, actually, not just them. I was actually very shocked that this company is backed by NVIDIA, but it's true. I looked it up, I double checked, and it is. So yeah, and the company is called Generate Biomedicines Incorporation. Takes some GENB that you can see here, right? And this one is going public on February 27, 2026. So it is coming up, very soon. And the IPO price range is 15 to 17 US bucks. If it opens at 15 to 17 on IPO day, on the day that it goes public on February 27th, I think it's something that people might want to consider, even for a day trade or a short-term swing trade, since there will be a lot of hype and institutional backing due to it being backed by NVIDIA and Fidelity. Now, this is just my opinion. Doesn't mean that people should run off and actually trade my opinions. You shouldn't. You have to do your own due diligence, your own homework, base your buy and selling based on your own brain, not anybody else. Trust me, don't do that. It's your money. Basically, this company is a clinical stage generative biology company that is pioneering the AI revolution in biotechnology and drug design and development. So we've seen this before in the past, and some of them actually had a hype due to the AI usage to find a drug, and those stocks would go up. I've talked about stocks like that before on my YouTube channel. I have done YouTube videos about them. They did go up after my YouTube videos. One is actually still up. So there is a use case for AI in the medical world, and the fact that, but I've never seen, let's just say this, I've never seen a company using AI and backed by not necessarily backed by NVIDIA, but backed also by Fidelity, right, and Samsung Biologics. So that makes it very important to me. The company is currently actually working in phase 3, so they have a phase 3 trial. The company said that they are planning to develop the lead candidate for treatment as a biologic device combination product. More on that if you want to check out the website. I'm not going to go too heavy in that. You can check it out for yourself. But they expect that their lead program trial will be fully enrolled and possibly ready for FDA reviews and all that by the end of the year of 2027. Here is their current pipeline, and as you can notice down here, they also have a collaboration with another pharmaceutical company. Looking at the financial data of the company, they don't have a lot of revenue whatsoever because they're still working on phase 3, obviously. But they did have some collaboration revenue of around $31 million in 2025. They do have $221 million in cash right now, so that's good enough to get them through 2026 and into 2027. Their total liabilities, short term, right, are $140 million bucks, but the key thing here is that this company has no debt. And when you have a company that has no debt and is using AI to revolutionize medicine and so on, and this company is backed by Flagship Pioneering, which also is backing Pfizer. So Flagship Pioneering is someone to look at, like, seriously, in my opinion, because the companies that they choose to back are serious companies. The company is also backed by Alaska Permanent Fund, ARCH Venture Partners, Fidelity, also T. Rowe Price, which I didn't put in the chart, their logo. T. Rowe Price, another one, another big backer. Here's another big backer I forgot to put in their logo on the chart is Amgen. So let me say this again. T. Rowe Price, Amgen, Fidelity, NVIDIA, among others. I think the backing here is big. So I'm going to actually kind of come to the end of this video, make it a short video for you. I didn't want to make it long. So Generate Biomedicines, ticker symbol GENB, backed by so many. It's insane. No debt. And using AI to revolution, and has a phase 3. Now, doesn't mean anything is going to work out, right? Let's just keep that, you got to look at the risks. So they have a phase 3, and if the phase 3 does, the trials and the readouts and FDA approvals and all that go well, then obviously we're talking about an explosive potential here for the stock. But if the trials don't go well, right? So that's the risks you got to consider. It is up to you if you want to invest in this and how you would invest in. Are you going to allocate money in this or not? If you allocate money, is it going to be for day one when it IPOs in 3 days from now to do a day trade or a short-term swing trade, or are you going to allocate money for longer term? That's up to you. Let me know in the comment section below. I wish you all the best. And if you want to join our Discord, the link is in the comment section below. If you don't want to join our Discord, it doesn't matter. It's okay. It's fine. It's cool. Just hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Following my YouTube channel is still, I believe, very helpful. Thank you very much and take care.